Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to show you a fun activity as I show you how to make a jellyfish in a bottle. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here are the materials we will be needing. Freezer bag, twine string, scissors, food coloring, a cup, water, and empty clear bottles. We need to cut the freezer bag into half, so we get a piece like this. So it has to be square like that. And once we have that, we're gonna use the cup. Put it in. That way we can put the water. Just a bit. Just to capture maybe a little bit more. Just enough like this. And then CJ, can you help me with the string?
Okay.
Yeah, can you hold it like that? Cut it. And then
We wrap it around.
yeah, we're gonna wrap it around. We're gonna tie. This is gonna be the head of the jellyfish. Have you been to the Melbourne Aquarium, Naya?
I want to
Yeah.
go there.
Yeah? You tell mom.
But I already did.
That way you can see the big jellyfish
But
there.
I'm going to go swimming lesson again.
With the jellyfish?
No.
No.
And again,
you don't
and then
wanna do
again,
that.
and then again, and then again, and then again, and then again, and then again,
So
and
as you
then
can see now, oops. We can take off some so that we can have a more realistic looking jellyfish. Otherwise, it's gonna look too clumpy.
What? My jellyfish is all done.
The best is we take off the shorter ones and leave the very long ones. So I'm trying to take off the shorter pieces and leave the longer ones.
No.
There.
Hey, why you put it in the trash?
And here we have our clear empty bottle. And before we put inside our jellyfish, we put 2 to 3 drops of our
Can I do? I want
food
to.
coloring to give it a bit of effect.
One.
Oh, I think that's already 3 drops. And you give it a good
Shake
shake.
it. Shake it.
You give it a good shake.
How about down it? Do you need some
Yeah,
more?
we give it a good shake. There we go.
What are you doing with that?
What am I doing with that? I'll just cut this to make it
What
shorter.
The jellyfish.
Yeah. So that when we look at this, it's gonna look like a jellyfish. Yeah.
How we got the bacon?
Yeah. Ready?
This is not good. This is not good. Huh? What are you doing? Can you just put it in the water?
Yeah. Make sure it's all in. Nothing gets stuck to the cap. And then when we put it upside down, there we go. Our jellyfish tries to float there on top, Let's do it on the clear side.
Thank you for watching.